Grill Masters. Today I am sharing a smoked Traeger peach dessert. It's fruity, it's yummy. You kind of caramelize them up a bit with some cinnamon and honey and pecans on top. Serve it over ice cream. I'm going to take you start to finish and show you how to make this easy dish that will smoke at the same time as your chicken, steaks, pork, whatever else is going on. So it's done at the same temp, which makes it super easy. Start with 8 medium peaches. You want them fresh and you want to slice them into wedges and discard the pits. Then you want to line them up inside a cast iron skillet that can about fit them because they're gonna sit in their own little syrup. It's so tasty. Sprinkle a dusting of cinnamon over the peaches, and you can get all of the measurements for this in the description or at SipBiteGo.com. And while you're there, you can pick up your free barbecue ebook. Just get it right there on the homepage. So add a little cinnamon, drizzle some honey over the top of the peaches, and then shower the peaches with some yummy crushed pecans for that crunch that is super satisfying. And then sprinkle some light brown sugar evenly on top. And you can dot the peaches with some diced salted butter, and all of that is gonna melt in and make them so tender while they pick up that smoky flavor. And for this particular cook, just so you know, I was using mesquite pellets. You can shop all my favorite pellets at the SipBiteGo Amazon store. I do love mesquite because they're super smoky. And then we're gonna head out to the smoker and I'll show you what time and temp to do. Candied peaches with pecans or pecans, depending on who you are and where you're from. I popped these in the Traeger smoker grill at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. They were just kind of going in the background while I had other things cooking. The cinnamon peach skillet was done in about 30 to 45 minutes when they were tender. So just poke them with a fork. They'll get all tender and caramelized, and pull them off when done to your liking. You can't go wrong eating them as is, but definitely serving them with some vanilla ice cream puts them over the top. Well, enjoy this recipe. Check back for more smoker grill recipes. Until next time, have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!